Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Instagram Reels export setting. Open your Instagram app and sign in to your account. Tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. Select Reel from the options presented. Once you're in the Reels editing screen, record your video or upload a pre-recorded one. After your video is ready, proceed to the editing section. On the right side of the screen, tap the audio icon if you want to add music or sound. Choose your desired audio from the library or upload your own. Next, tap the speed icon to adjust the playback speed of your reel. Now, select the effects icon to apply any filters or effects. Once satisfied, navigate to the text icon to add captions or text overlays. Position the text where it fits best on the screen. After editing, tap the preview button to review your content. Make sure everything appears correctly in the vertical 9:16 aspect ratio. Now, tap the arrow icon to go to the sharing screen. Here, you can add a caption, hashtags, and choose your cover photo. To ensure sharp delivery, check the settings for video quality. Look for the option labeled High Quality Uploads and toggle it on if available. Finalize your preferences for sharing to your feed and stories if desired. Once everything is set, tap Share to publish your reel. Your Instagram Reel is now configured for optimal sharpness and delivery in the 9:16. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.